Hello, Jim. Tech Buzz new product in from TAGRY and its new H08 headphones. So you've got soft here, ANC here, active noise cancelling on the back, long battery life, fast charge headphones, incredible sound, soft earmuff, ANC noise cancelling, 40mm dynamic drivers. And that's it there. We're going to have a look at what's inside. Doesn't mention nothing about an app or nothing, but we'll find out soon enough, as this is just the first look unboxing, so you can fire away your questions while we test them out. So in the box you get this booklet, you get a nice travel bag, drawstring, you get the headphones, you get your 3.5mm and your USB-A, USB-C charging cables, and that's pretty much it inside the box, and that'll be it for the there. So there's our user manual and anything else in there, nothing inside, so no. So let's fold these out and have a quick close look. So that's what they look like there. Pretty generic look. You've got an ANC button here, power button, plus and minus, 3.5mm USB-C, soft pads. I'll quickly pop them on. Good noise isolation there. Your ratchets on both sides, and you've got your swivels like so, and of course they move in and out here. And we've got this textured design on the outside here, and that's pretty much it. Fairly light as well, and that's it for the minute. So what we're going to do is take them off and review them and come back to you and let you know what's going on. So we're going to have a quick look here, see if they mention anything about an app, and they don't seem to do so. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's the book there anyway. So stay tuned for a full review soon on techbuzzorn.com, and we'll see you after the break.